Yeah, it's impressive. It's impressive.
Recently I was contacted by Chiara again from Dreamer Real Estate, who showed me two magnificent apartments in breathtaking Tuscany. She called me to say she had another property worth showing me. An apartment for rent which is literally located in the heart of Florence. And nothing. She didn't tell me anything else, only the day and the time of the appointment. Saturday, 2 p.m. Even though it's raining, Piazza della Signoria è incredibile. Ma di cosa stiamo parlando? You'll find out later what's inside it, but trust me, I can't wait to open it.
Ciao Tommy!
Hey Chiara, come stai?
Very good. You?
Bene, bene, molto bene.
So,
Where's the apartment?
that's the building.
Right there. Wow,
Yeah.
Wow.
It's very old building. Actually, in the 50th century, there was a church there,
Wow.
as you can see from the plate. Let's go there.
Yep.
You like it? So let me briefly explain you about the apartment. 185 square meters, this big living space, the dining room with a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 studio and 1 walk-in closet. But let's focus to this amazing space. As you see also the height of the ceiling, the big size of the space, the wood, which is very old. And in the renovation, they keep it all the historical elements, but they had all these modern and contemporary pieces of furniture.
Yeah, I like this red velvet.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect.
It's nice, relaxing.
Yeah.
And from here I can see all the apartment.
Yeah,
I
it's,
love it.
it's super.
I love it.
It's super. But let me tell you something. The pearl of the apartment is just behind you.
What?
And now I show you the kitchen.
Sure.
So as you see, it's a big kitchen with a big table, so you can actually cook while you're having fun at dinner time and lunchtime with your friends. And it's a modern kitchen.
Yeah.
It's a custom made with 3 different materials: Carrara marble, wood and steel.
This is a big kitchen.
Yes.
I mean, it's important for us Italian who loves to stay with friends. We leave the kitchen as maybe the most important room in the house.
It's true,
right?
because we love to share
Yeah.
the moment while we are cooking and when we have lunch or dinner
Yeah.
with other people.
We drink wine and
Yeah, with this view, come on. Another very interesting thing is that in the 1969, in this living space, there were lots of pieces of art. Because in that time, Cassa di Risparmio decided to give the opportunity to create in this palazzo a museum of contemporary art. This is the sleeping area. We have 2 master bedrooms, 1 studio that can become a little and single bedroom. There is the walk-in closet and 1 bathroom. So the bedrooms are both facing to Via della Condotta, which is a very nice street. This is a standard size of a bedroom with a big wardrobe, very big.
what about the materials? I mean, Look at how these doors are.
They renovate and restore all the historical elements like the windows and the doors. This is like Massallo wood, a very strong one from the past. Now we are entering in actually a suite, because we have the walk-in closet, we have the ensuite bathroom here, we have the master bedroom, everything in one suite. So you can close it.
Wow.
It's quite big, it's a big storage, it's very good to have this also for the ladies. Now we see that it's empty, but of course can be full of things.
Let's have a look at the first, actually the master bedroom.
Yeah, this is bigger than the other one. Also is facing to Via della Condotta, and of course there is no wardrobe here because you don't need it, you have the walk-in closet there. And from here you can see directly the little hill you have to arrive to the bathroom. So you have your walk-in closet, your bedroom, your bathroom, and you can walk naked maybe here.
Maybe you can.
This is the master bathroom. You see the size is very big. So now let's go to see the studio. Actually, it's not a big room, but still very interesting because could be also like the third single bedroom. Yeah. And of course can be used as a studio, which is important to have a space.
Yeah, I can see myself having like hours of editing right here. Yeah.
So, as I told you before, there are lots of pieces of like contemporary design. We have Fontanarte, we have the other lamps which are Artemide. And this hidden door, as you see, is the door of the guest bathroom.
I'd like to propose something.
Let me guess. A coffee?
Yes, but not only that. Before meeting up, I saw this fantastic pastry shop and I got some pastries, so if you like.
Of course.
Yeah.
So where did you get the schiacciatella fiorentina?
Well, I get it downstairs. Actually, I get it there.
Oh, at Revoir?
Yeah. Why?
It's one of the most famous and historic bar and pasticceria, caffetteria in Florence.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's very old inside. Also, the style is amazing.
Yeah. Chiara, tell me a little about this place. I mean, it's definitely a prime location, right?
Yeah, it is. We are in Piazza Signoria, which was also from the past one of the most important square, because this was the heart and the center of the political and the social scene
that's why.
Of the municipality. So lots of important decisions and political decisions that were made from here.
Yeah.
So ciao Tommy.
Thank you. Grazie mille for this amazing tour and see you next time, right?
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. A view that would make anyone jealous from an apartment in the heart of a city like Firenze. I left not knowing what to expect, and I have to say I'm more than satisfied. It's not often we see apartments like this, let alone for rent. And I even managed to get home on time and had time to get a souvenir.